Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. This is a special one today. We're gonna do this for Bruce. Bruce gave us a little care package, and we gotta do a little job for him. So I know you guys know he has the EndlessRPM carbon fiber shark mouths, but he just recently stopped doing business with the company that was
previously doing, yeah. And new company, who this?
New company making them. This knife sucks. So there's one for me and there's one for Terry. He said the quality is even better this time.
Ooh. Oh my god.
Look at that. Carbon fibrase.
Wait, focus. There we go.
And we got two.
Yep. One's for my car, one is for Josh's.
So the difference, in case you guys didn't know, 04 to 06, the grill is slightly smaller. 07, 08 is slightly bigger than 04 to 06.
Yeah, you can see the difference.
Yeah, this one's yours.
Mine can go right on.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, by the way, side skirts are on.
Side skirts.
Yes.
Oh god.
It looks so much better. This actually looks like a lot thinner too, because remember how you had the issue with this one?
Yeah, that one was super thick. We have these pieces as well. You guys remember on my first one, I gave away that.
I actually have an extra one too.
Yeah, I gave it away because obviously the carbon hood doesn't need it.
Yeah.
But for fitting purposes for Bruce, I still have my stock trunk. So those are right here. Alright, so we're gonna be doing doing an install video for Bruce.
Yeah.
This video that we're doing right now is completely separate from the install video. The install video will be straight to the point, and that'll be literally just a strictly how-to without all the commentary from me and Terry. Alright guys, this is a how-to on how to install EndlessRPM carbon fiber shark mouths or non-carbon fiber shark mouths. Alright, this car already has the endless shark mouth, but this is the older one, and we're gonna show you how to replace it. So this hood trim comes off with a couple of screws in the back.
Like 4? Yeah.
Then you should be able to pull it right off, like so. Now, to be extra safe, and it's probably what we're gonna do, small self tappers right here, one in the middle.
Yeah, because it doesn't have the things on the back to screw,
yes.
like the OEM one.
So the OEM one has these backings. This one actually didn't come with the clips. So we'll put the small self taps right here, preferably black ones, it'll blend in. Put the adhesive in the background, that's not going anywhere. Alright guys, so it's marked up with exactly where we're gonna do some drilling. What we're gonna do, put pilot holes in with the drill bit. Make sure you get one small enough to fit your screws. And we're gonna use the existing holes to mount. We're gonna screw into this part right here. And what that's gonna allow us to do is actually put it up on here, and it's gonna pull towards this way, hugging it and closing the gap.
Yeah, because the issue is the middle.
Yeah, the issue is the middle.
There's
so
a big gap in the middle.
with the screws and the silicone, you should have no gap there.
You should hold it pretty firm.
Yeah. Alright guys, with the pilot holes in, now what you're gonna do, we'll take off the tape. We're gonna lay this here in place, right? So when we went out, we bought gutter screws. These gutter screws is because easy to get into sheet metal, and they have the black caps.
If it focuses.
Here.
Yeah, these are the screws that we bought. They're short and they're thick, so it should penetrate very well.
we showed you the carbon hood trim on this car because that car already has the carbon hood.
Yeah.
The difference between the carbon hood and an OEM hood
Doesn't have that lip.
doesn't have that lip where you can sit the carbon trim.
Yeah.
So with this car, what we're going to show you is how to cut out the actual grill space, the space for the grill, so you can sit the carbon Sharkmouth in. So now you have both installations.
Yep.
To take off the OEM grill, very simple. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, you don't even have to take this one out, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Boom.
So yeah, the other two
Now we'll
screws.
move to the front side. This trim right here is literally just clips. So you just want to be careful when you pry it because they're very fragile and they will snap. And now, dirty, but
Yeah, mad dirty.
yeah, this is what we're gonna be cutting.
Slicey dicey, so basically that is gonna turn into that.
All right, guys, with this, it's fairly simple, very cut and dry. There's no need to mark it up. You're gonna follow this crease line right here. Don't come on this side. Stay on the flat surface. Cut all along the edge. And you guys are gonna watch this and fast forward. All right, guys, now it's time to cut. Make sure you got safety glasses, because this is gonna kick up a lot of plastic at your face.
Yeah, especially that diamond bit.
Yeah, and it's gonna be smoldering hot. What
Yeah.
you want for this, simple. You get a Dremel and a cutting wheel. Follow the edge. Don't go over on this side of the bumper, but you see where this line kind of creases in? This line right here is where you're gonna be following to make your cut.
I left a little bit on there because
Yes, you could do that. You can leave a little on there.
Yep.
That one's pre-cut, but this is how you're gonna cut it, or what you want to cut. And just like that, your surface is ready for the carbon grill install. All right, so what we did, we got it.
yeah.
Silicone, we got a clear silicone right here. We dropped it in here. If you can see, look, it's beading across the edge. That's a good thing.
And don't worry if you get it over because you can actually just like rub it out.
Yeah, it'll rub right out. But yeah, you want to get that silicone in there. Makes for the perfect fit and finish. I might put a little extra.
Keeps it in place too. There's a little extra on top again.
That was the grill. Alright. You just rub it in there. Don't worry if it goes on the grill. You'll, like I said, I'll rub it out. So what we're gonna do, take our straps and tighten them. So we also drilled on top, made the holes.
Just for extra support.
Yep, and you can use OEM mounting stuff.
If you think about it, the grill actually is like an important piece of the bumper because without this grill, the bumper will flex. So it kind of gives it that extra support. Some people might not know that, but you know.
All right, guys, so cut a little bit less material than I did. and you're perfect to go. But other than that, this is all gonna come off the silicone. I just gotta wait for it to dry, then rubbing alcohol take care of that, so don't worry about that. But other than that, fitment is great, and the look is exactly what I was going for. Now on the 07 one, we're gonna repeat the process of the silicone, but other than that, fitment I think is even better on this one. Alright, we beaded the back of this with some sealant, some silicone. Now what we're doing with this one, tucking the tabs under the bumper. So there's two options. You can do what I did and drill the hole, or you can tuck them this way.
You're gonna adjust this one.
Yeah, just adjust it.
Yeah, goes under that, goes under that.
Now what that does, tucking it, it allows it to sit flush and flat.
That's it.
That's it. Now we can leave it, let it dry, but we're gonna zip tie it real quick to put that pressure. Alright guys, so here's the final look. This is the 07. Nice and clean. This one was a simple, straightforward install. Mine was a little bit more. And I left the straps on there with that protective coat padding to keep it down nice and flat. Yeah, see, with the carbon hood already, you don't need to run the hood trim. You just run the actual shark mouth. Don't mind the dried up silicone, that'll all come off, but fitment is real nice. 06, 04 to 06, 07 to 08. Fit like a glove. And now we got Terry over here doing Terry things.
She like that. Well, obviously I'm gonna cut it, but that's melting.
Trying to get a thumbnail picture so cars like super close together. Oh man, just another step in the process. I'm gonna put a link to EndlessRPM's website in the description below, where you can find these carbon shark mouths and the full carbon front end that I have. Almost anything you want for your cars, you can find them over in EndlessRPM. Yeah, anything you need for a TL, go to Endless. Bruce has everything. He'll hook you up. So, as always, I appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching. Let's run up those numbers, guys, because we're almost at 1,000. We're actually almost there. And you know what happens at 1,000, Terry?
Giveaway!
Huh.
Giveaway!
He's moving too much. You can't catch him. There you
Giveaway.
go. You guys, 3.7 intake manifold at 1,000 subscribers. Run those numbers up. Let's keep going. The more we get, the better the giveaway is gonna get. Anyways, like, comment, subscribe. Let's keep going. Peace out, and we'll catch you on the next one.